Alright, so it's Gabriel with the Last Huntsman channel here. We're just taking a hike down the road right now. Gonna go to the farther back part of the property and I'm gonna do some squirrel hunting today. Got little Henry lever action 22. Love this little rifle. I think it's my favorite hunting 22. I like my 10-22 a lot too, but just for pure hunting. This little guy is so light, handy, has us good sights on there. Let's see what we can do. Just hiking down this private drive here. And squirrels just love this private drive. There's a whole lot of, I'm sitting right on top of a whole lot of nuts and hedge apples and walnuts and acorns and about everything a squirrel would like. Usually I see a lot more than I do today, but I'm not seeing a whole lot of anything today. There's just something in the air and ain't getting the critters moving around, I guess. Alright, so you guys might be asking, the rifle I'm going to be using for the squirrel hunt is Henry H001. Now, there is a few things that's different with this rifle than just out of the box. First of all, as you can tell, put the HIVIZ sights on there. I'll link a video in the description on how to install those. And also on my receiver, I Duracoated this receiver. Reason being is I thought it was just way too shiny and almost looked like plastic. And I didn't like it, so I Duracoated it just a flat black. And I actually think it looks a lot sharper like that. And I almost wish I would have done the barrels and tube too, just to make it all match. But I leaned against it, and this is what I got now. Well, I popped this little squirrel. You'll see on the GoPro. Right through the eye, too. I am continuously impressed by the accuracy of this little Henry. Alright, so I got you guys in my barn. It started raining really bad, so we're gonna skin and butcher up the squirrel right here in the barn. Alright, so knife I'm going to be using, this is the Exodus knife and tool. This is the jackalope. We're going to give it a try here. Alright, after we got this skinned out, we're just going to wash it off and throw it in the refrigerator. Well folks, I hope you enjoyed this this quick little squirrel hunt. I didn't get the most squirrels today. There's been days that I've gotten, you know, just a couple squirrels. There's been days that I've gotten 10 squirrels. There's been days like today, I only got one. Just wasn't really they just weren't moving out and about very much. I think it's because the storm was coming. They were holing up for the day, pretty much. But this little Henry rifle, it performs really great. As you guys can see, it's very accurate. It hits exactly where I point it. But with all that being said, get out there, get in God's green earth, be prepared both physically and spiritually. God bless, and carry on.